So, this video is all about the top 5 lines according to the survey ha. Top 5 lines ng mga tao na bitter. Saan? Sa Forever. So let's start.
Let's take our time tonight, girl. Above us all the stars are watching. There's no place I'd rather be in this world. Your eyes are where I'm lost in. Underneath the
The first OMG, February na. February na, this is it. Ano naman kung February na? Na. 4. Oo nga, no? February na. Magpo-post din ako.
First one giving you all this attention, baby, listen. I just need somebody to love. I don't need too much, just somebody to love. I don't need nothing else, I promise, girl, I swear. I just need somebody to love.
Post.
Hey, Jake Sean.
3. March na pala.
At bakit lahat ay
So,
before I met you?
pakopol-kopol shirt pa. Magiging basahan din niya.
No need to worry, baby.
Number 1. Wow! Sweet nila. Bukas makalawa, magbe-break din yan. Walang forever road! Walang forever road! Walang forever road! Walang forever road!
Hindi naman masamang maging bitter kung talagang nasaktan ka. Pero, hindi sa loob ng napakahabang panahon. Dahil kailangan natin tanggapin na may mga bagay na kahit anong pilit natin ay hindi para sa atin. At yung para sa atin, darating yan sa tamang panahon. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin ay tanggapin lahat, i-let go yung mga hatred sa puso mo, at matutong maghintay. Maghintay ng tamang panahon para sa tamang pagkakataon at tamang tao. That's the key of happiness.
And just like the moon stars, I see them.